So the next thing that we're going to discuss here is how we can add else-if statements to this. And last time we were discussing this ternary operations, we were looking for the larger of the two numbers. Well, what happens if the two numbers are equal? And in this case, if the two numbers are equal, then we're going to just choose y. Let's add an else-if statement or else-if statement as well. And so now if they're equal, then we're just going to return none because none of them are larger. And so how can we convert this into a ternary operation or ternary expression? Let's dive in. All right, take a look at this now. What I've just done here is I've put a ternary expression inside another ternary expression. What we can see here is this is what we had for the original ternary expression. We were saying if x is greater than y, then we're going to choose x. Else, then we're going to go to our next ternary expression right here. We're going to say if x is equal to y, then return none, else return y. Now you might be wondering, can this be done in the other C-based languages like we discussed in the last video? Yes, it can. Let's check it out. And so now what we can see here is we can see in this case, we still have our ternary expressions. The one thing that you're going to do a little bit differently is we're going to want to make sure we put parentheses around here so it makes it a little bit more readable. Now, what you're probably saying to yourself is, man, this looks really complicated. And yes, it is very complicated. If I was a developer working with you, I would say, no, you know what? Just keep this as a simple else-if statement because it's much easier to read. Remember, just because you can do something doesn't mean that you should do it. And in this case, this makes your code look more complicated, more convoluted, harder to maintain. Bad idea, but just wanted to show you that it can be done. All right, hope you have a wonderful day.